Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to record your screen with the macOS Screenshot app. So let us get started. First, press Command plus Shift plus 5 on your keyboard to open the screenshot interface. In the second panel of the interface, you will find the screen recording options. To record the entire screen, click on the fourth button from the left. This will start capturing everything visible on your screen. Alternatively, you can choose the fifth button to record a selected portion of the screen by dragging out a box around the area you want to capture. Once you have selected the recording option, click the record button at the far right of the screenshot bar. Your Mac will begin recording your screen and you can freely use your computer as you normally would, switching between windows and applications. To stop the recording, click the stop button in the menu bar, or simply press the escape key on your keyboard to cancel the recording. After the recording is complete, your Mac will save the screen recording in the same folder as your screenshots, or in the location you have specified in the options menu. The file name will follow the format screen recording, date at time, making it easy to identify. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next one.